Hi guys, I just wanted to show you a trick I've learned for making a messy bun look fuller. I have fine hair and so I'm always looking for ways to make it look thicker. Okay, so what you're going to need is a scrunchie, and I purchased this little scrunchie I believe at Walmart. It came in a pack of 3. And you'll need your hairbrush, your teasing comb, a few bobby pins, and some hairspray. Okay, so first, it's best to have your hair like second or third day hair so it has a little product in it so it gives you a little more texture. So you're going to want to go ahead and take your teasing comb and tease all over your hair. Just make it a little messy look all over. Okay, so just mess it up. And then after you've got it teased, you're going to want to gather it up into a ponytail up high on your head. Okay, so pull it up high on your head. Then you're going to want to grab your little scrunchie and you're going to go one over it and then go over it again twice. Okay, and then you kind of have this look right here like a regular ponytail. What I like to do with mine, like right at this stage, is go ahead and go take your teasing comb and tease back over it and make it fuller. So go ahead and tease your ponytail. Okay, so I have my ponytail teased now. And now I'm going to take it and I'm going to hold it up and just twist and twist. Okay? So I've got it twisted. Sorry, I'm having to look over here in the mirror. And so now I'm going to take it and I am going to wrap it just like that. And I am going to add some bobby pins to hold it in place. Okay, there's one. And 2. Okay, I should have brought some more bobby pins over here, but I didn't. So I'll just make that work. Okay, so now what you're going to do is you are just going to play with it and make it have the look you want. And you'll want to, once you get it to the size you want and the shape you want, you'll want to add your hairspray and maybe secure it with a few more bobby pins. So as you can see, it gives my hair a lot more height having that scrunchie in there than just a regular elastic. So you can kind of see from the sides, it's a lot fuller. And like I said, I should have brought more bobby pins with me, but you can just keep pulling and make it messier and bigger and just make it a really cute messy bun that looks like you have a lot more hair than you really do. So I hope you like this video, and please give me a thumbs up if you like it and subscribe to my channel. Thank you so much for watching.